So just pulled a night shift on the quarry fire at our mobile headquarters here, and other than hearing the radio, hearing the fan for the heater is the only thing we heard last night. Thanks to this. Ran this all night, and still has 34% charge remaining. You can see with the lights and the radios and the heater blower running, we're only using 282 watts. You don't need to even run the portable inverter generator. And these, it's been overcast some of the days, but yesterday was nice and sunny, so it ran the whole thing just off of solar yesterday. Barely had to run that to bring it up to full charge. But being able to sleep at night without listening to that stupid generator is so important when you're pulling 16-hour shifts for multiple days and you got to sleep here. So, solar generator, Peck run to the rescue.